Well, I will say it's nice to see a great day of bounce in the market. Finally, some direction to the upside. Now, the question is was this our bottom? Was this what we needed for ADA price to continue moving up? Is it what we needed for BTC to continue moving up? And is this going to create our rally basically towards the halving? So I want to talk about this. There's something I'm watching very closely in the charts I want to make people aware of. But first, let's talk about the numbers, what we experienced yesterday in terms of these flows for BTC. Now, you can obviously see that again, another day of big, GBTC selling, 51,500 BTC dumped by them. Still another net negative day, actually, 10,600 BTC in the outflows. Now, again, we're getting basically to the end of the FTX selling, which is great. We can see, again, GBTC throttling down a little bit. Hopefully this continues to be a trend moving forward. We're obviously still seeing big demand from the other big players and spot Bitcoin ETFs. They're still on the big buying side of things. And the nice thing is, remember, when we talk about this institutional money, they do the same kind of thing. As the price begins to move up, this is where they get a little more excited. This is where they buy more. And obviously, right now, we're just not seeing the effect of that. The charts have been basically shit since these spot GPT or since these spot Bitcoin ETFs rolled out. Now, what this also means is obviously we had a net negative day in terms of the flows from these spot ETFs. That means that either retail or whales or other large investors absorbed this negative flow of BTC, obviously creating a nice positive day. We got obviously a nice bounce. If you guys didn't take a look at the charts, you can see obviously Bitcoin bounced off of this 100-day moving average. We closed the CME gap, so we had a nice bounce off of that as well. And we're stacking together another green day as of right now. We're actually back over 40K. This is a great sign. You can obviously see that when it comes to the ADA price, we're kind of doing the same thing. We got two Dragonfly dojis back to back. Obviously, this is the start of one today, but if Bitcoin continues to look positive today, would not surprise me if we flip toward the green sign. And we did the same thing. Bounced off our 100-day moving average. That's the huge correlation with BTC right now. And it looks like we're about to flip and possibly turn up. Now, there is something that we're contending with on the charts here, guys. There's two things that I believe may play out in the charts. And as always, this is not financial advice. It looks like we're going to try to balance and go up here. Now, there's something that we have to contend with, and that's these moving averages, this 20-day and this 50-day moving average. You can see these are kind of on their way down. So BTC is likely going to do one of two things. It's either going to blow right through here and move to the upside, or it's going to flip around and come back down and possibly try to create some lower swing lows here, okay? When we look at ADA, we're kind of doing the same thing, all right? That 20 and that 50-day moving average is coming down. We're going to likely try to go up here around that 50 to 51 cent level and either turn around and come down or blow right through here towards that 54 cent level. That's just likely what is going to play out. Now, as always, this is not financial advice. There's no guarantees when it comes to this. What people need to remember is these things change from day to day. All right. It's funny because I've had some people call me out on stuff before. Guys, this is an ever moving atmosphere. All right. People's minds can be changed in an instant. Remember, retail, they tend to react on emotion. All right. When 50 cents is a good buy, it may not always be a good buy. Right. You got to look at the context of things. Is the prices we're at a very good buy compared to 68 cents? Absolutely. Is it a good buy compared to 24 cents? No, right? It's all about context. Right now, seeing as where we came from the 68 cent level, these levels, I think, are big opportunities. As always, anybody can do what they want. Me personally, I'm kind of waiting now to see if we do get this rejection. I'm watching this very, very closely. If we flip around, we start to come down, chances are we're probably going to try to make a push at that 40 to 42 cent level. Okay. Just know that this is in the cards. But if we show bullishness, if the market shows strength, if GBTC throttles down, if we get some good news, all these things are events that can push the charts higher. And again, these swings that we got to the downside here, this big sell-off from the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs that we've been experiencing, they may just get left in the dust. All right. That possibility is always there, but we won't know until they play out. This is just the things that you need to watch in the charts. So thought I'd share that with you guys. Let me know your thoughts below, but I appreciate you guys. Hope you guys have a great day. Show your love. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.